What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another Vleezy vlog number 7. 5 plus 2. Cause I ain't got my other hand. I got that hand on you. On the Joby stick. On the Joby stick. This 7, not 6. I ain't never sick. But the flow getting sick. And I'm really about to vlog this. Nah, though. Welcome back to another vlog, though. Shoot, we getting closer to October 1st. You know it's on October 1st, bro. I ain't gonna show you I'm gonna show you real quick. I'm not gonna show you too much. I'm gonna show you a little bit of the ideas I've been writing down on a 30-day vlogathon. You know what I'm saying? I might add some ideas in there so it ain't just vlog clips. You know what I'm saying? Might put some challenges in there. Might put some, some extra in there. You know what I'm saying? I did it fast, bro. Hey, if you can stop the video that quick and find out what that was, bro, then you just know you got the force with you, bro. I might speed that part of the video up so you can't. So you gotta keep going back so you can see if you can catch it. But you probably don't even care that much. I ain't gonna lie. And it's cool, bro. You like my hat, bruv? Look at my hat. We got a cool little video today. This at the end of the day though, cause I forgot to put a little intro in there. So we got an intro right now. Right now. I'm yapping, bro. I'm not trying to be too loud right now cause it's 5:30 a.m. where I'm at. 5:30. And I got a camera with a mic in my face. You ain't got to do it. The chips weren't that good, bro. Come on. Give me your chips. Give me your chips. Come on.
No, wait, there's the owner.
She gonna turn around talking about something. Look, just look. I'm about to scare her. Oh, thank you.
I said the only reason I fell for it because I didn't think you would be able to trick me like that, but you did. Okay, I'm not falling for it. I ate them all. You got chips while you were in my stuff. No. Oh my God.
Put it back.
Yeah.
Make me put it back.
No.
She's all scared. She gonna put her hand on my forehead like somebody getting on her nerves. She came over here messing with me. Hey, I don't know what she did, but she
Oh.
put her hand up in the
Oh.
I don't know what she
It's like that?
but
Don't walk up on me, running up on me like that, bro. It can get wicked for you. It can get wicked, bro. It can get wicked, bro. Man, give me your chips, man. Give me them chips again, bro. Man, give me your chips. Give me the chips. Give me the chips, bro. Give me the chips. Give me the chips, bro. You know I always catch you lacking, bro. Don't never think they're sweet. You lucky you lucky I let you go. It could have went real treacherous for you. Why you trying to take me my stuff? Oh, you want the mask?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me have it. Put it on me. Woo! N-G-O-B-I-N-G-O and bingo, what's his name?
Mommy done.
Bro, they just licked the stick and they tongue is turning colors, bro. They just licked the stick and their tongue is turning colors.
Look. Yeah, look. Yeah. Look.
Bro, running like an Naruto character.
Yeah.
Yeah?
You are.
They down?
Yeah, we want to go to be a baby. We want to be a
Oh, dang. Night.
No, other eye. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Go to sleep.
Go to sleep?
Yeah, no, not yeah. Go to sleep.
Okay. Good night.
Mama. Yeah.
Hmm?
You
You want a hat?
need hair.
You need a hat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, we need hand.
Okay.
No, the blue one.
You want a blue one?
Yeah. Look, yeah. On.
You want the blue one?
Yeah, the blue one.
Get the blue one.
It's daddy.
We wearing hats.
Look. No.
Show me how to wear it then. Get me swagged out.
Wait.
That way?
Okay.
Oh yeah, we swagged out. Let me fix your hat.
No, Mom.
Oh, my fault.
Go.
This the best way to wear it?
Yeah.
You think I'm gonna get some girls when I go outside when I wear my hat like this? No.
Need glasses.
Oh, I gotta get glasses first. Go ahead, get her some glasses, damn, bro. You know his glasses all on their wall, be girl. All type of glasses. I wear my hat how I want to wear my hat. I'm gonna switch my hat right in front of her. I'm gonna switch my hat.
No.
I'm gonna switch my hat. You don't want it?
No.
I'll put it back.
No, hold it.
You don't want that hat?
No.
Okay. Let me see.
What?
You want the mask?
Oh, that's it. It's it.
Yeah. Look at. You wanted the mask? That looked like the Jim Carrey mask on you. You know Jim Carrey? You know Jim Carrey? You know Jim Carrey?
Go.
You know Jim Carrey off the mask?
No, I get down.
Do you know Jim Carrey off the mask? Go show me your mask. She's not that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's Halloween.
You said Halloween.
Yeah.
Nah, I don't do holidays, big bro. Let's go. Go. Let's go. Yeah, go. Let's go. Go. Yeah.
Okay, I'm great at everything I do. I do it like I train for this. I did like every day for this. The light I got can't pay for this.